Hello guys, and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. Today we're doing another Nike shoe, this time the Nike Chuka. Let's go. Hello guys, so for today's video we are doing in Nike Chuka. Now the Nike Chuka, I really like this shoe. It has a more like a woven design. This is a very delicate upper. As you can see, it has wool kind of upper, so you need to be very careful in cleaning this shoe. It also has some leather accents. The heel is leather, very nice. See the other one. So for this time we're gonna do a very thorough cleaning. We're gonna remove the laces, clean them as well. Also we're gonna go and clean the leather and also deodorize the insides of the shoe. Okay. Hello guys, so we have removed the insoles and the laces, so we're gonna clean this up as well. Take it aside and we'll do one shoe at a time. Now again, the Nike Chuka has very delicate upper, more like a wool fabric, so we're gonna take our time with this one. Still, we're gonna use our shoe cleaner, our soft bristles for that very delicate upper, hard bristles for the sole, some clean water, and our microfiber towels.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello guys, welcome back. So we are done cleaning with the right shoe. So comparing both. Now we have removed already all the dirt that have stuck in the wool. Now this very delicate upper, we just used one stroke in cleaning and used our shoe cleaner, just brush and wipe. No, just very careful in cleaning this upper. Okay, now we're also gonna go and condition the leather part once it has all dried up. So this chuka, guys, best advice is to use some kind of water repellent solution, spray it all over the upper, just to avoid getting all those uppers dirty. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean the other shoe next.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay guys, we are back and we are done with both shoes. Okay, now as you can see, it's all cleaned up now. So we're just gonna leave this shoe to dry. We're also gonna clean the insoles. We're gonna brush the insoles and we're gonna wash the shoelaces as well. So we're gonna show you the final output after it has all dried up. And just remember guys, this kind of shoe, the chuka, it has a wool kind of upper, so very delicate. You just need to use the proper materials in order to clean this one properly and not damage the shoe. Okay, so hope you guys learned another lesson for today, and I'll see you guys soon on our next shoe cleaning video. See you guys.